Hello there.
Ma? Ma?
Wanna buy a drink?
Yes. Yes.
Do you know how?
No. How?
Then let me teach you. First, decide on the drink that you wanna buy. Already decided?
Yeah.
Take, take out your coins.
Coins. Oh, coins.
Put it into the machine. Not there. The coin slot.
Oh.
Make a drink selection. Push the button. There's your drink. At the drink collection at the bottom. At the bottom. There you go.
Yes.
Now take your change. The coin slot. There you have it. How you get a drink from a vending machine. Hooray! Thank you very, very much.
I think the light is better, no?
Go zoom. Hi, zoom is this one.
Oh yeah, and use tripod lah. Don't use hand.
Okay, I want to see.
Ma?
Wanna buy a drink?
Yeah.
Do you know how?
How?
Then let me teach you.
Yeah.
First, decide on the drink you wanna buy. Already decided?
Yeah.
Take out your coins.
Wait, I think we got it all wrong.
Wait,
Why?
You're supposed to look at the machine.
you're not supposed to look at the camera.
Why?
I don't, that's my kid.
Ma? Ma? What?
Thank you, uncle.
Ma? Ma?
Wanna buy a drink?
Yeah? Yeah.
Do you know how? Then let me teach you. First, decide on the drink that you wanna buy.
Oh. Okay.
Already decided?
Yeah.
Take out your coins.
Coins. Oh, coins.
Put it into the machine. Not there. The coin slot. Make a drink selection. Push the button. There's your drink. At the drink collection. Oh my god, wait. Stop. Because you, now there's your drink, then you take your drink already. I haven't said now take your drink. You must supposed to act stupid again like just now.